will record. I'm saving this as another thing. Here. And first thing, I'm gonna delete this to have. And I'm deleting this. Okay. Make sure exact half you're deleting, nothing else. So then after this, so just select the ear part, the ear part. So you just place this like this, okay? Then what I'll do, I'm gonna select this face, this 4 face, okay? Delete this 4 face, okay? After deleting, double click on this edge, so that entire edge is gonna select. Now extrude this, make it smaller like this, okay? Then after this, let us arrange this properly over here. This here. See, you have to place this particular vertex, behind this, because behind this particular model means you just feel, touch and feel your ears. So the start point of the ear is somewhere here, the back part. So it is somewhere here, okay? So I'm gonna place this somewhere here. And this comes somewhere here. This, let it be something like this. So now you match this as per the reference again. Okay, this is something like this. Okay, now I'm selecting this edge again, double click on this edge. Okay, now I'm extruding like this. It's like this. You just spread this and just make here. I'll just show you how it is coming. So just bring it outside. Okay. Little bit. And this one, you have to rotate it like this and bring this outside, because this has to come like this, no? Okay. See, this is an inner circle. Okay, this line is an inner circle. So let's say, for example, if I'm selecting this is the inner part, means this part. Okay, it has to be like that. I'm just selecting the outer circle again, outer loop. Again, I extrude little bit inside now and come over here. It's like this. Okay, we will work on this particular part later, but still for time being, you just keep doing like this. Okay. So this, I'm just placing this here. Now here, okay, what I'll do here, I need more detailing part. So in that case, I need to add few mesh somewhere here. Okay.
Yes.
So in that case, I'll take insert edge loop. Okay. So whatever I create, I'll be deleting these edges later as well. Here, I'll take one here, and I'll take one here, one here. Okay. These are the extra edges which I have taken. Remove this. Remove up to here, and I'm gonna delete this. Double click this, double click this, double click this. Delete those edges. Okay, after deleting, we need to work on this, wherein like this, like this. Okay. Now come to perspective. There's a lot many things to do. So now double click this. First thing, extrude this. Come over here. This has to go straight inside. Okay. So I'm selecting this. This has to be almost here like this. Now double click this. Now I extrude this. It's like this. Inside. This has to go a little bit inside now. Again, I extrude this like this to inside. So arrange this vertex properly here. Like this. So certain things, you need to work on this like this. So again, the same edge I'm selecting. I extrude this. So this has to go inside like this. Now again I repeat last tool extrude. So it's like this. Little bit inside again. Okay. Observe. So we're getting an output like this. Again I extrude. So here like this, but it should be inside. It should go again here. Come inside. You have to do like this. Again extrude smaller to here, and this will go again like this. Okay. So then select these edges, bring it outside like this. Bring it outside like this. So this particular part, this is bit of soft, so you have to give smoothness like this. Make this bit curvy, that's it. So select certain areas, where there is a bulge, select these edges. Outside like this. This face, it should go a bit inside. This edge has to be like this. Okay, see, these are the updates which I have done. Okay, wherein this has to be smaller. This should go inside and it has to be smaller. Got it?
Yes.
So this it looks a bit complicated, but because based on the ear reference. See, ear especially, it is different from person to person. This detailing I'm saying, what I'm referring to is the detailing part of the ear is different from person to person. It's not like same. Other, eyes or lip structures are okay, but when it comes to ear, it is different. Okay. So now look at this, based on this, you have to work. Looking at the reference, you have to work. And if you are, if you have completed the face model, it's simple. It won't be that complicated for you guys. Okay. Ear part will be
Okay.
simple. So edit, delete, write type history, modify freeze transform, modify center pivot. So you have to make smooth and you have to check. Okay, I think here I need to increase bit thickness. Okay. See the detailing how we have given. So make sure you are giving something like this. Okay. Any doubt is there in this?
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay. So now the model looks like this. Even in the side view also, you need to check. In the means in the front view also. So, but here, the ear comes little bit, outside. So it depends, like how you do. I think this much is okay. So what I'll do is, like I'll just select this up to here again. I'm deselecting. Select only the ear part, ear vertex or faces. I'm gonna rotate this a bit. Okay, like this, and this, like this. Okay. So after this, what I'll do, let us unwrap this. So unwrapping is a texturing part. Anyhow, I'll show you that separately. So for time being, like I'll show you how to do unwrapping. Means I'll show you the final output. How does it look? Okay. Anyhow, you will be learning this later as well. So this is a side view. Side view. Let's unwrap. This is a UV texture editor. This particular box. See here. This one. The same UV texture editor is here in Windows modeling editor, UV editor. Anyhow, in the basics part you have seen in the last sem. Okay. For the texturing part, for interior texturing and all you have done. So under UV planar mapping, I would like to unwrap this in x-axis. X-axis, apply. Okay. So I have got an output like this. And let me place this behind. Then what I'll do, I'll be selecting this faces. I deselect these faces. No, not even this, only the front part. Let me take. Okay, only this part is there. Let me go to this view, and here let me just unwrap only this area in z-axis, UV, planar mapping, z-axis, project. So this one I need to just make it like this, like this. Okay, now I'll come over here. I select these UVs. These are the UVs. So let me place these things here. I need to place this properly here. So we are gonna do sew stitching. Okay.
Yes.
So select the edge here. So shift right click. You can sew, move or sew edges. So repeat last tool. Okay. Unfold, unfold. So I'm just doing unfold. Okay, somehow it's done. Like this. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll select all these UVs. We need to work in Photoshop actually later. Means I need to take a snapshot of this. Okay, let me just I'll select all the UV. Be quite bigger to here. To shell. Like this. Now select all the UV, come over to here, images, take a snapshot, and this has to be in PNG. This is browse. You need to save this in face images folder. Face UV, save in PNG, apply and close. Now this particular model, the UV is here in RSTP Maya face. We have this image here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just take this one and I'm gonna place this on here. So create a new layer, apply white color here. So you can see the wireframe of this. Later what I'll do, I'll take the source image, I'll take the both front and side image into Photoshop. Okay. Enter, enter, both front and side. Keep the side at the bottom. Select both. Rasterize this. Let me take only the front view now. The front view part, I'm gonna cut the half, exact half. I'm gonna delete the half. So this particular last layer, I would like to lock this. And let me reduce the opacity of this so that I can see I can say this as well. Like this. And the lip part here like this. Like this. Enter. Then after this, I'll take eraser tool. Eraser is a soft eraser I'll take. Okay. Now I'll turn on this one. Okay, I'm extending this. I need to match this one. Okay, this. Okay, if the call ends, you can just connect again with the same one. I'll show you the final output. Okay. Until then, let's work on this. Okay, I need to reduce opacity also for this so that I need to see